We employ some of the best and most talented people on the planet. They're technicians and they're artists. A Fabspeed product starts by mapping the original OEM systems for physical fit and tolerances. We accurately define the design limits, size, and space constraints. Computer-aided design software, expertly manipulated, defines geometric dimensioning and tolerancing of the components to give our research and development teams the boundaries in which to work. And as a team, they explore the ways and means to incorporate Fabspeed's greatly improved system design into what is often a labyrinth of OEM restrictions and obstacles. This is prototyping, and it's all done by hand. To produce the product perfectly each time, we take the now perfected prototype Gold Master fixtures and the reference standard and create manufacturing build specifications for our fabricators. It's the human eye and hand that ensures quality and pleasing aesthetics. Our team, we think they're the best in the world, grab the opportunity to demonstrate their artistic talents as they handcraft your specific Fabspeed brand product. Upon inspection, you may notice that one weld may look slightly different from another, yet be assured the quality of each is superb. Those subtle visual differences reflect the art and pride of the craftsman, and we're happy to show it off. Another choice we made was to invest in expanding foam-based molding. That cradles the product for shipping, protecting it en route to you. Finally, our gold seal of quality assurance is proudly imprinted and signed by the last hands to touch your product. Because what comes next is all about you.